Well, hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do what's in my travel bag 2026 travel edition. I'm in Turks and Caicos right now, and I said what a perfect time for me to do what's in my camera bag. So first things first, what's in my camera bag? I usually don't like those big travel bags, so I take with me my mini sling bag by ASRV. I can fit my camera in here and 2 lenses, and it's absolutely perfect. So when I'm trying to run to the beach, I don't have anything heavy. I can just grab this bag with my camera and 2 lenses that I need and take videos or pictures. So this is what the main camera is. This is the Sony a7R6. And I love this camera because it's the brand new 67 megapixel stacked sensor. So that's what I use for taking pictures and filming. And I literally just got this, so I am currently reviewing it to see how much I like it, and so far so good. I wanted the 67 megapixels because I do take pictures and I do love cropping in, and it's perfect for me. So when I'm taking pictures and I need to crop in, I don't lose quality, so I wanted something of a high megapixel. That's the DJI Mic Mini. As you can see, this is the Sony 16mm lens, which is what I am using to film right now. This is perfect for vlogging, which I'm doing right now. It's perfect for interior. If I was going to do a room review and I wanted to make sure I can fit the entire room, it's that 16mm, so it shows everything in a wide perspective. So that's perfect for me for vlogging, and it's light. My second lens will be the Sony G Master 35mm. This is my favorite lens, one of my favorite lenses, if not my favorite lens. So this is what I use for taking pictures on the beach. If I want to like show the background, it's perfect for that. I don't use it for much videos, but I use it for all my travel pictures. Third lens is my 50 G Master f1.2. This lens is absolutely perfect with that f1.2 lower aperture. It has the creamiest bokeh when I film with this, but I use this for b-roll. I use this for shooting in the gym. I use it primarily for videos. It's absolutely perfect for videos. Last but not least, this is the lens I use for taking portraits at the beach or headshots, high detailed shots. This is the 85mm G Master lens. I love using this lens for taking pictures of people while I travel, taking pictures of people in distance. If you notice, all my lenses are prime lenses. I love shooting with prime lenses. I make sure I have ND filters, and this is the Peter McKinnon ND filter. So I have a 2 to 5 stop and a 6 to 9 stop. I usually use the 2 to 5 stop for when I'm shooting, you know, sunrises, sunsets. This is perfect for that. And when I'm shooting during the midday sun from like 12 to 4, I use the 6 to 9. I hardly shoot during those times, but if I have to, I know I have an ND filter that can help block out the sun a little bit, and I use the 6 to 9 stops for that. For the final one, I do have a drone. I use the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is the brand new DJI drone. This is absolutely amazing for taking pictures from the air, taking videos. It has 3 cameras. There's a 28 and I believe 28mm, a 76, and a 169mm. I usually just use the 28 and the 76mm for this. This drone, actually, I'm surprised by, because the last drone I had, which was the Mavic 3 Pro, by the time I fly it, after like 15 minutes, I would have to fly it back just to change batteries. This, just one battery, lasts me my entire shoot. It's absolutely crazy. I flew it yesterday. I was flying it for a very long time. I left it in the air so I can walk around the beach while it's just filming, and it just didn't die. Like, it was crazy to me. It actually lasted the entire time I was shooting. So that's what I use to film when I travel from the air. But that's all that's in my camera bag for 2026 travel edition Turks and Caicos. So I'm glad you guys came with me, and I am going to sit on the beach, take out the surroundings. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.